Why train your core standing up?
Standing core exercises help strengthen abdominal and back muscles while improving posture and stability. By training on your feet, you challenge your balance and coordination, making these workouts especially useful for functional fitness. Plus, you don't need any equipment, so they're easy to do anywhere. Perfect for beginners looking for a convenient way to get stronger and more stable.
Essential warm-up for core stability.
Before starting standing exercises, warm up your body to prevent injury and get muscles ready. Begin with light marching in place for 1 minute. Add gentle torso twists, side bends, and shoulder rolls. These simple movements increase blood flow, loosen your joints, and gradually activate your core, preparing you to safely perform the exercises ahead.
Standing oblique crunches.
To target your side abs, try standing oblique crunches. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Place hands behind your head. Lift your right knee toward your right elbow as you bend sideways. Then return to start. Alternate sides for 10 to 12 reps per side. This move strengthens your obliques and challenges your balance at the same time.
Standing knee to elbow march.
Improve core strength and coordination with the knee to elbow march. Stand upright, hands behind your head. Bring your left knee up and twist your torso to touch your right elbow to your knee. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Continue alternating for 20 to 30 seconds. This exercise works your abs, hip flexors, and helps with stability.
Standing side leg lifts.
Standing side leg lifts. Engage your core and hips for better balance. Stand straight, hands on hips, or reaching out for extra challenge. Lift your right leg to the side, keeping your body upright. Lower it back down with control. Repeat 10 to 15 times, then switch legs. Keep your core tight to avoid leaning. This helps strengthen both your waist and legs.
Making progress and staying consistent.
Progress at your own pace by adding more repetitions or slowing down each movement as you get stronger. Combining these standing core exercises 2 to 3 times a week can boost your posture, stability, and overall core strength. Consistency is key, so find a time that works for you. And remember, no equipment means you can practice anywhere.